I've been telling y'all guys that you should use the crochet needle facing out. For everybody know this. I'm not pushing the needle all the way out, because if I do it, look, you see, and you don't want that. So like, you want to keep the needle inside the dread. You see what I'm saying? Yo, what it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy Luis 25 Locs, man. I'm back with another video, guys. Let's get it, man. This video is gonna be about how to use the crochet needle using the kinky hair. You see what I'm saying? I got the kinky hair right here, this human hair, and I got my crochet needle right here. Let's go ahead, man, and take my glasses off, but you better know what I got on. If you know, you know. You feel me? New wash, you feel me? Got my eyebrow done, shape up on point. Got my glasses on, you see what I'm saying? I got the cement on, you feel me? If you know, you know. I ain't gotta say too much. Alright, so boom, I got my crochet needle right here. I got my kinky hair, you see what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna show you guys how to use the crochet needle the right way. So I've been telling y'all guys that you should use the crochet needle facing out. For everybody know this. See the hook right there, facing out. So you go ahead and take the needle, you feel me? I mean the kinky hair. What we're gonna do is, like, we're gonna create a locks. You're gonna be able to see it. Y'all don't go nowhere. So look, I got my crochet needle, kinky hair, facing out. You feel me? So I'm gonna introduce the needle slow. You see it? Like that. I'm introducing the needle while I be like moving the hair like that. If you pay attention, you're gonna be able to see it. That shit look good right there. Alright. Anyway, so you're gonna be able to see how I do it. You feel me? Like that. So I'm not pushing the needle all the way out, because if I do it, look, you see, and you don't want that. So like, you want to keep the needle inside the dread. You see what I'm saying? So like, you go like that, or like these two fingers gotta be moving like that. So you be creating the locks. Alright, so I move forward like that, slowly. So if you are learning how to use the crochet needle, this is the video that you should watch. Don't go nowhere, man, because I'm telling y'all the shit that ain't nobody gonna tell ya. So you go ahead and take it again. Most people be asking me, how do you slide the needle down when you're working your way down? So I do it like this way. I push it out carefully to not pull the hair, and I move forward. And the other way that I do is, I be going down like that. You see, creating my locks. Anyway, guys, man, I'm kinda sick, bro. If you see that I'm sweating in the video, it's because I got the air off. Look, I got the air off. I'm getting sick, man. I got my tea right here. You see how I look? I got a lemon inside. So I'm getting sick, bro. Like, that's crazy, man. The weather is changing. You already got me messed up. Oh my God, tastes so good. So I can even go up if I want to, because I know what I'm doing. Most people don't know how to go up. I know how to go up, down, everywhere. You feel me? So just pay attention to what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. You see how I'm creating the lock? You see how it is kind of puffy over there? And it's now the way lock. I'm gonna fix that. Again, grab the needle like that, facing out. Introduce the needle in the dread, and within two fingers, you're gonna be rubbing and creating the locks. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. You feel me? So this is the kinky hair that I took. I made these locks in less than 5 minutes. So because I know what I'm doing. So that's what I'm trying to tell y'all. It's easy once you know what you're doing. I could have been done shit 20 seconds back. So this is easy, guys. Another thing, guys. So the kinky hair is gonna be on the description down below. Remember to use my ID code to get a discount on Amazon. I'm gonna put the needle too right there. Just go ahead and click on the link so you see and buy the kinky hair. So I'll be telling my people that it's better to buy some kinky hair, so you go ahead and practice and learn how to use the crochet needle, how to create the locks with the kinky hair, so that way you don't mess up your hair. Because I made that mistake again back in the day when I was learning. I fucked my hair up in many different ways. So I'm telling you the stuff that I went through so you don't have to face what I'm facing right now. Learn with the kinky hair. It's way better, and you're gonna have an idea and see what you're gonna do before you start messing around with your own hair, because you don't want to mess it up. I'm telling you guys. Anyway guys, man, go ahead and follow me on my IG, Luis25 Locs. I got a new account about shoes. Go ahead and follow that one too. Get familiar with that one. It's Luis got 'em. On that page I'll be posting my shoes and shoes that I'm gonna release soon. So let's go ahead and get it, man. Another thing guys that I wanna really say, so if you have any idea about any video that you want me to make, go ahead and let me know in the description right there, or hit me up on my IG telling me what you wanna see, what you want me to do for you, and I'm gonna do it. You feel me? Let's work together and let's make the world better. 25 Locs, man. I love you guys. See you in the next video. I hope I feel better about tomorrow, because I don't want to be like this, man. Love you guys. Thank you for always being there. 25 Locs for everybody. You feel me? Oh my God. Yeah, I need this. I ain't gonna lie to you.